Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's unpack this one, the new one that has just came in now. Inanda, just outside Durban, Inanda, ne? Yeah. It's not far from it, Durban, like Durban. City Durban, this guy, coach wey'ngane, right? Zabafana nje. Mina mase ngibuka, they never really give us the ages. I'm just thinking primary school, man. Primary school and high school mixed. So there's these children nige uyabacoacha ke ibhola uyabacoach. Kanti umuntu is also ulala nezingane. Guys, mara ku right ukuthi uhlengule izingane. Intanga zakho unazo mhlawumbe ukuthi uyolala nezintanga zakho. Izingane zikuthembile, they believe in you. When you busy ngani uyayidlengula for a year. So one child manje has spoken, umama ngizofaka isithombe sakhe la because angithi we can't show the faces. Umama was talking about this thing yokuthi ayumntwana angitshele. She was just saying ukuthi I cried and cried and cried. I just not gonna also put in the video. Uzoveza nje just izandla zakhe while she was talking. I can't show everything because azinto kanje you cannot show them. Ama families awakafuni ukuthi kwaziwe into kanje ukukhohlakala umsho. Dazi ubhizi udlongelana nezingane for a years yathula wayitshela ukuthi make nje nakhuluma ngizokubulala nonke kini qala ngomngawe ngize ngefamily yakho yonke. And this one family ngathi there's 3 boys abebe adlala ibhola kuyena ne ababize lo mama ukuthi awupupudo nomdala usekhuluma mina ngicela nikhulume iqiniso. Bathi hayi bagcina sebevuma because we were thinking mhlambe it's just him, you understand? Abakade bemdlwengula ile therapist. The next thing the other 2 ikhulume na yithi not. So it's 3. He's got 3 cases now. Seboshiwe. He's in jail mina ngisakabhadlele khona angaphinda aphume. He mustn't see the sun. Alibuki nje ewindini lasejele. That sun. I'm promising you. Lo umuntu akekho right. Umuntu onjani lo ingane zimthembile zithayisa zidlala ibhola. You know how it is. Ingane zabafana zilithanda kanjani ibhola. Futhi nje at an early age at like 7, 8, 9, 10 ema primary umuntu usethi nje I love soccer. Ngifuna ukudlala. Kanti bazohlangana nalo bhuti. And kuthiwa in the community because it's like a very small community ngalapho bamazi bonke bebethi hayi ingane azifundiswe yena. Uyabona? Because he's good with these things. And also they believe in him. They trust him. Kanti umuntu busy urape ingane. Akasho lutho. Le therapist nothing. No, guys, it's crazy. Hayi ngeke akaboshwe. Ngifuna nokwazi. You mustn't see the sun. And manje, you know what's going on now? They are saying that there's a possibility ukuthi there's more. Chances are the whole team. Ubeyidlwengula lo bhuti lo. Akasemdala akasakhohlakele ave wrong. Ave wrong nje, ave wrong. Ngicela nje ukuthi aboshwe. Thank you guys, but none please comment and just tell me what have we become? Sabantu abanjani thina? The children ingane encane they believe in us. It says asaba kwasathini ngoba sibhezisa ithembisa izinto uzoyibulala ingane bakehamba khona. Mothi uzobabulala konke nomndeni. Lokuqala ngayo ingane bese ibulala nomndeni make zakhuluma ingane. But umfana bathi uqala nje ngokuthi you know what? Ma I'm tired uma khwahlala phansi wathi hayibo what do you mean you are tired? Uzumakhe she was just relating the story esisaba naye ethi hey yazi mhlawumbe umntana mbesithi uyabulala or something. Kanti uthi I'm tired of coach ubhizi ulala nami. Hoyibo what do you mean? I mean exactly that ma. Ulala nami coach. I'm like this guy is rotten to the core. Umuntu onjani lo? No, ngiyasilandela story guys ngisazondilethela futhi zona ngifuna aboshwe lo. Until azazaboshwe ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukuphumula. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and your support guys has been amazing. Almost every day I get like 5 to 10 subscribers. I don't get anything less than that. This channel is just taking other directions that I never expected anyways, but I'm happy and I actually am also grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. I just wanted to add about this guy assaulta ingane the coach Inanda just outside Durban. This guy, people were just talking ukuthi like umphakathi, they had a meeting about him ukuthi lo muntu all of us besimthemba. Simthemba, and then the next thing uzosenza kanje. Everybody believed in him, this guy. But you know what he used to he was doing? Ubefike mayiqeda ingane ukudlala ibhola, baqeda ukuyi-coach, ayifundise coach i-football, and then he will come back to his house. And people didn't even think anything. Everyone's like, so zonke ingane beziya lapho. And then zihlala endlini yakhe, and then for the day uzochuza ingane eyodwa, lezi ezinye angithi idlala ama-game azinakile, and zincane lezi ingane angithi sometimes not even thinking. Aqede lapho ingane ayinukumeze, when he's done ayinikeza amasi bese yalala. Like, how cruel can you be mara ey'nganeni zethu like this? Lona nje akaboshwa, umphakathi was like nje, we're not playing with him. And it looks like I had said ukuthi there's still more children ngoba as it is now lazy ezu 3 is from the same house, and there's actually more, there's gonna be more basically, because angithi he was coaching a lot of children. All the parents were there. They were like, oh, how could you though do this to us? Besikuthembile ingane bezikuthembile. Hayi, it's just cruel. He mustn't come out, he mustn't see the sun.